My friend, do you want to learn a very simple technique to relax whenever you want, become peaceful whenever you want, using your imagination? If the answer is right, you are at the right place, my friend. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Hyderabad, from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer hypnotherapist. This is a very simple technique which I normally teach in my workshop, using your imagination to become calm and relaxed. This is a simple technique, my friend. Are you ready? If you are ready, you need to close your eyes. So, take a deep breath and close your eyes now. Get comfortable either sitting or lying down. I prefer sitting because lying down sometimes you may go to sleep, which we don't want here. Now close your eyes, take a few deep breaths and just relax. And then form a picture in your mind of a place where you have been before and felt totally calm or relaxed, or the place where you want to go into the future, which you know when you will be there, you will be totally calm and relaxed. It may be a sea beach, it may be a forest, it can be any place or mountains or hills, whatever you feel like. So pick up one scene in your mind. Either you have been there before or you want to go there, or certain scenes you might have seen in the movies or pictures. Pick one with your eyes closed. And then once you pick the one, focus on how does it look like. What do you see around you there? Imagine you are there right now. Imagine, feel, believe that you are there right now. And once you are there, how does the place look like? What do you see around you? What colors and textures? Notice everything about the place you are visualizing and seeing in your mind's eye. Then make it more real. Then imagine touching the things around you. Sand, water, grass, trees, great art or architecture, or you are there with some of your favorite person. And listen. What do you hear in the place? The birds. If it is a ocean or beach, hear the sound of the waves. Listen what you can listen, the birds. Whatever you can hear the sound, make it real now. Next, think about, is there any smell? Really feel the smell. Flowers, sand, whatever it is. Now, use all of your senses. Focus on each of your senses and explore the place you have created or remember or recall from the past. Stay as long as you like, but for at least 5 minutes. Practice this 5 minutes. Be there for 5 minutes. Really enjoy it. See, hear and feel everything as if it is happening right now. Practice this meditation every day for a few days and then add here one hypnotic command to yourself. When you are there, repeat this word in your mind. I am totally relaxed and calm. I am totally relaxed and calm. I am totally relaxed and calm. What you are doing here is linking this sentence with the wonderful feeling you are having right now. So in the future, whenever you want to be relaxed but you cannot close your eyes, repeating this word will recreate the same wonderful feeling what you had right now. So my friend, once you're done, count 1, 2, 3, come back here now, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1, 2 and 3, open your eyes. If you are lying down and sitting, get up from the chair and move around. Now, remember my friend, practice this at least 5 times. And every time you can select a new place. It is your mind, am I right? Use your wonderful place. Check it on YouTube, some good places to relax. YouTube, pictures, and pick up and imagine you are there, really feel it. This is a powerful technique to relax, my friend. So, what we have done here is we added a post-hypnotic trigger, or we call it anchor, the sentence, I am totally calm and relaxed. So this sentence, whenever you repeat, you will instantly feel relaxed. But before you want to use this, at least practice 5 times this meditation by watching on YouTube or download the video or audio and do it. So my friend, I'm sure you really liked it. Write a comment how much you liked it, practice it and let me know. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, my friends, subscribe to my channel right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. A lot of new videos are coming very soon. Yes, my friend, very soon. And now, as a coronavirus period, normally I conduct live seminars. Right now, I'm conducting a lot of WhatsApp workshops, so you can learn things from sitting at home. So if you really want to learn that, click on the link below. There is a WhatsApp group link there. Click on that, join the group. So every time we do a new courses, we send you a message, you'll come to know about it. So all the best. Looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Thank you very much.